Hey everybody, this is Randa Lee Roberts with Premiere Plus Realty out of Cape Coral, Florida. And today I am just taking a brief moment to reach out and just share with you the fact that, first of all, in case you don't know, we're finally having some rain. And it is certainly much needed rain. We have been very, very dry, and honestly, this makes me very, very happy. The reason for my little quick brief video today is to let you know that, in case you couldn't tell or didn't know already, I have switched brokerages from Coldwell Banker Sunstar Realty to Premiere Plus, and several of the videos that you may have seen already are going to actually reflect Coldwell Banker. However, just know that I am no longer with Coldwell Banker, but I am able to provide you the same wonderful services that I offered before, along with Premiere Plus Realty. So I just wanted to take a quick moment and obviously let you know that information, so that if you are in the market for a real estate company, our company is humongous. We actually do have 6 different offices in the Southwest area, all the way from Cape Coral, Fort Myers, down to Marco Island. So just know that we can handle your real estate needs. And I am actually a member of the real estate board for Sarasota and Manatee counties. So therefore, I actually have access to properties all the way up as far as Tampa, and certainly look forward to assisting you, your friends, or anyone that you might know looking for a realtor with their real estate needs. I hope you are enjoying this time at home, even though it is under such dreary circumstances. But just know that, of course, this is a wonderful opportunity to take the time to spend with your family, and of course to get some rest and catch up on the projects that you may have started and just haven't had time to finish. So I hope you all continue to thrive and remain healthy, and I look forward to serving your needs if in fact you need some assistance. And you can reach me at 786-0005, and that is area code 941. Thank you so much, and hope you all have a wonderful weekend.